If this video reached you, I would like to congratulate you because you are one step away from receiving your payment from YouTube account into your bank account. But first, you need to fill in your tax information because all YouTubers need to pay the tax according to regulation. So I will show you in this video how to fill this tax information properly. Keep watching until the end. So first, if you have this page in payments info in your YouTube account, adsense.google.com, then you need to click this update button. Okay, just wait. And then at the manage tax info tab here, click this add tax info. Then before you start pop-up window here, click this start from. Okay, now a pop-up window will appear on your screen. You need to re-log in to your Google account. So I'll fill this account. Okay, just wait until the process is complete. Now, okay, you have this United States tax info. You need to answer this whole question. So because my account is individual, I will choose this individual option. If you are a non-individual account, you can click this non-individual or entity option. So click next. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? I will click no because I don't live in the United States. Click the next again. And you have this WX tax form type. And because we are an individual, let's choose this first W8 band form because this is the form that most commonly used by non-US individuals would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. Okay, so let's choose this option and then click this start W8 band form. Just wait until the loading is complete. Now we have this option and let's fill this the whole option in your tab. Let me fill this option. Then for the taxpayer identification number, if you are a foreigner, you can fill in your taxpayer identification number in this foreign TIN tab, or if you are a US resident, use this US ITIN tab. Okay, because I'm a foreigner, I will use this foreign TIN tab. And for your information, taxpayer identification number is a series of number that is issued by your official tax regulator. So you are identified as a verified taxpayer. So every business, every people that meets the certain condition needs to pay tax, and they will have the taxpayer identification number that is issued by the official tax regulator. Okay, so if you don't have it, go to your local tax office and ask them how to create your own taxpayer identification number. You can also skip this page by clicking the next option if you don't want to create a new tax identification number or you don't meet the requirement to create a tax identification number. So let me fill this tab. Okay, then click next. After that, you need to fill in the permanent resident address and you have to fill the country, the street address, the apartment, city, province, the postal code, don't forget this one, and then also the mailing address because later Google will send you the verification document to your mailing address. Just fill it if you have the same address like the permanent resident address, you can fill it the same. Let me fill my own address for a second. After you fill in all the fields, then click next. Then Google will ask you to fill the tax treaty tab here. In case you have your own tax identification number, like in my case, I suggest you to click the yes option because you are eligible for a reduced withholding rate. Okay, but if you have no tax identification number, I suggest you to click the first option. So let's click the second option because I have my own tax identification number. Then let's choose the country like this. For the following option, let's choose the special rates and conditions here. Because I have an AdSense income, let me choose the second option here and then just check the tab here and then click next. After that, you'll see the activities and service performed in US And you see that the Google asks you, has Yuvalina performed any activities and services for Google within US, or do they expect to in the future? Because I don't expect anything to in the future, I'll click no, and then click the tab option here. Let's check it, and then click next. And then Google will ask you whether they will send the tax reporting document through the email or through the mailing address. Okay, I recommend you to choose the paperless option here. Click the go paperless option. This is the recommended option, and Google also suggests you to choose this option because it's easy and you don't have to wait for I don't know, for so long to wait this tax reporting document. Okay, and if you click the get documents by mail, your documents will be sent to your registered mailing address. So I don't recommend this one. So let's click the go paperless and then click the I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Click next. Okay, this is the two form that we have. I will download this two form. Okay, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated text document to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Okay, then click next and then click the tax form certification. Just check this option for the declaration. Also check this option. Okay, this optional, and then for the signature, just click the yes option here. Yes, I am the beneficial owner. Name in the tax identity section. Okay, for the full legal name is here. Click submit. Google will proceed this whole data, and this is a legal data. And it looks like Google need additional information to prove this is my real name. So I will upload a document here. Let me upload a document to add. Okay, I will upload one document to make my name is verified for Google, and then click this submit document. Okay, and then the verification is in progress. Okay, and then you just to wait in your email whether they will send the tax reporting or not. Then let me click the got it tab, and then you'll be back to your home page in the manage tax info. Okay, and you'll see that the status is in review. After submitting the application, if you check your email, Google will send you a notification about your tax information. So it is said that your tax information has changed. So in 6th of July, I submit my application, and we just need to wait whether the application of our tax information will be approved or not. And after 3 days of waiting, in 9th of July, you can see I have another email from Google Payments, and it is stated that my tax information has been approved. Okay, so all the data that I give to Google or the tax office has been approved. And this is the condition that Google will pay our balance to our account. And today, exactly 1 day after this notification, another email comes from Google Payments, and Google tell me to check my recent payment. Okay, recent payment for your account like this, and then I need to wait for another 5 business days. Okay, and if you receive this email, it means that your taxation process is complete, and you just need to wait until your money transferred into your account. And let's check our YouTube AdSense account at the taxation tab. You see that the process has been complete, and Google will notify you in the manage tax info that your account, your submitting form, your W8 band form has been approved. Okay, so the status is approved. Okay, I think that's all. If you have any question, please write it in the comment. I'll answer it as long as I can. I hope this video reaches you. Thank you, and see you in another video.